Close window.
Blow your horn. Blow your horn. He blew his horn. Checking us out. He won't be loud no more. Man, how lucky are we?
Where's he at?
Where's who at?
Where's police at?
It's right in front of us. We're going to go there as soon as the train goes by. Look how cool that is, buddy. Look, he's got pink cars on here, Stefan. Look at the pretty pink cars. It's coming up. The end is coming up. He'll be here soon. It's coming up. Yeah, look at the green car. Here's the end. Look at the engines. Oh, it's got 2 more engines right there. Check that out. I don't know if anyone's in that one. Because I went like this. This means blow your... No one's in it. No one's in those engines. Well, they already did the first one.
Yeah, they blow when they first come.
Yeah, but they already did when you first went.
Yeah, they don't blow when they leave stuff.
They only blow when they first get to it.
No, when we leave it.
I don't think they will,
I don't know, buddy. It depends on if one's in the back. We'll see. Yeah, let me see if I see one. Soon. Maybe soon. Let's watch. Pull up a little bit so I can see the end. Let's just see.
We're going to go railroad crossing, rest.
Yeah.
Time if I go railroad crossing.
Go to the railroad crossing. This is a long train. Man, look at that. It's a long double-decker train, buddy. It's the longest train I've seen in a long time.
Where's the end at?
It's coming. There's 2 tracks here. This is where if you're on Amtrak, you pass a freight train at the same time.
Does the truck will come by?
They don't have one scheduled. Maybe later today. If I see an engine, I'll... Oh, here comes the end. I don't know if... Yeah, there's not an engine on the end of this one. Here's the end. Man, that was a great train. Man, that was a good train, buddy. Let's listen to the... Listen. Ding, 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 ding. Well, Daddy had the perfect way to